Today I want to show you that how can you watch movies entirely free, and these websites are completely legal. So what's the catch? Well, you will have to sit through and watch the occasional ad, and you may not find every single movie that you're looking for, but you will likely find many high quality movies that are well worth watching your time. Alright, let's check out this video. How can we just watch movies on our account here? First is YouTube movies. At number 1 we have YouTube movies, and you don't even have to navigate on the YouTube website. You're already here, and then you can click on movies to watch any movie here. Like I will search movies for the search bar. So well, you can see there is a lot of movie here. You can rent a movie, you can watch trailer of any movie, you can buy any movie, and also you can download any movie in your YouTube application. On the second number we have a website called TUBI, called Tubi. When you will go on the Tubi TV, you can just click on the Tubi TV on your any browser, on your any TV. You can see this is Tubi TV's home page here, and whenever you will click on the start watching option here, you can watch for free any movie, any web series. You may not find your personal movie or your personal favorite movie here, but you can watch a lot of content that is already free on this website. On the third number we have Vudu website for you. In this website also you can rent, buy or watch movies for free on your account, on your mobile phone, on your laptop, etc. So what we have to do, we just have to click Vudu on your search bar here on Google Chrome or any browser you are using. You can just click on this website like this. It's currently not available in my region because I live in India. So if you're in different country, you can easily access to this website and watch movies for the free. And the fourth one is Freevee. You can just watch free movies and shows on this website. This is called freevee.in. You can just go on your Google Chrome and type Freevee and click on the first website. You will look here. You can see all Prime movies and everything is here. You can watch for free. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to the channel and leave your lovely comment into the comment section.